Hi guys, today I will be discussing about a workflow. This workflow is just about a document. Firstly, I will not show the QNAP, the NAS that we use, but when they post to that NAS, it will automatically post into here. It's what we cycle it. So now it will automatically appear here. So now I just post this one here just to do the what? Just to do the tutorial. So now that the file that we want to scrap all the data, and then here we use OCR. Yeah, we use OCR by the Google. So now that was a little setting on that, and then we want to scrap all the data from that document. Our n8n, we scrap it and then input all the data into this sheet. You see, I have DDT sheet, and then the second sheet, the third sheet, the fourth sheet, fifth sheet. So it will draft all the data and put it into each scene. So let's start our workflow. So this is our workflow, and then it will start. This is one of the best workflow I've ever worked on. So it's really amazing because I used OCR and then I used document AI. So it really gave me joy. And then we think that we are going to use a paid OCR, but later we use Google one, where we set up in the Google console. Yeah, we set something, so just copy the key and then input it, and then it will work. So let's check our data on the Google sheet. So the data will appear here now. Yeah, you see the data have appeared here, the ID document, the name of the data, its process, the created date, the file URL. The file URL is what is inserted because of what we want to make sure that is it really the real file. So, and then to check the data so that they can download this file and then they use it to check all the data. So this is what is the draft content that was copied out. So now they can just check the data from here so that they can know that okay, this is working perfectly well. So now I will soon explain this one as well. This one is just where they can assign a job name or sub job. Yeah, this work based on the business, so they can assign. This is input manually. Yeah, it's not done by the automation. It will be input. I just set it up with it. So now it has already. We have 3 items on the document, so it extracts all the 3 items. So this is just what the workflow does. Thanks.